What are you going to do?
I can't knock you out
Why, though?
because you keep getting my name wrong, you know. You keep asking me dumb questions.
Wait, is your name Morton, or is it... What's your name again? It's Morton, is it?
I told you. So many times, dog, you know. I told you, you know.
Sorry, man, I just...
Right? Are you listening?
Yeah?
Well, open your white ears up, dog, alright? I know you don't listen to much, but I want you to listen to this one, alright, dog? Alright?
Okay.
My name is King Nigel of the Kookaburra Creek, alright?
Okay. King Nigel of the Kookaburra Creek.
That's right. You don't have to tell me, bro. I already know.
But hang on, I didn't get it the first time. What is it?
Oh, I know what you're doing. I know what you're doing.
Where are you right now, Nigel?
Speak of Bill.
Nigel,
Don't talk to me when I'm talking.
where are you right now, Nigel?
Well, you're filming me talking on speakerphone.
Hey?
Well,
Yeah?
I know what you're doing.
Why?
I know it! You're filming me on the phone. Talking on the phone. I know it. Because now you keep asking me the same question over and over again, you know.
Like, what did you do tonight?
Oh, that's bowling at the bowling alley.
You did what? Went bowling?
Well, you're filming me. I know it. I know you are. I know it.
You don't?
That's a lie. Well,
Yeah?
are you filming me?
No?
Okay. What do you want to know?
I just want to know what you did tonight.
I went bowling! I had a told you that! I went bowling at the bowling alley, alright?
Who'd you go bowling with?
I came second!
Well, that's alright.
That was not because I got bitten by a white dog.
You got beaten. How many points did you get beaten by?
Too many of them. 3 or 4, I think. 1 plus 2 is 3 in case you didn't know.
Oh, fuck. That's pretty good. You're alright at that.
I know how to count, dog, alright? I know how to count.
So you were going to come over my house before, and you can't now.
No.
Why? You got that tribe thing tomorrow.
Oh, yeah, I gotta go. Tribe stuff, you know.
Corroboree?
No, we don't rob people.
No,
No.
not a car robbery, a corroboree.
A robbery?
No, a corroboree.
A what?
It's like an Aboriginal gathering or something.
What you talking about, dog?
I'm not sure anymore.
Oh, what the fuck are you doing, Camry, dog? Go faster, please.
Hey?
Oh, there's fucking white dog in front of me. Can't drive a stick up a dog's ass to save his own life.
What? Why would he need to drive a stick up a dog's ass?
Oh, because he can't drive a car.
He's not going fast enough, eh?
I can't so slow, you know.
You should overtake him.
I will. Oh, fuck. I know what you're doing.
What?
Am I fucking live right now?
No.
No.
Oh, baby, get me a little bit paranoid.
You're not live, man. We're just sitting here having a beer, having a laugh. Oh, he hung up.
Oh.
Mum is gone.